Hey Valley Middle kids, I'm back with a quick lesson here for your weekly enrichment lesson on patterns. The target for this lesson is I can identify a rule for a pattern and write the next three numbers in that pattern. Let's do this thing. All right, you will be completing a worksheet for this activity. Every one of these worksheets will have some stupid trivia question at the top. What is bright and asks a lot of questions. And then as you solve the patterns, if you follow the directions, you will get letters that you can put in down underneath your answers that will answer those questions. For example, we're going to look for the last number. So if we take a look at one of these examples, and I just picked a couple here. I picked the starred one here. We'll just take a look here. We have the pattern 2, 3.5, 5, and 6.5. Well, the next number in that pattern, it looks like we're going from 2 to 3.5. That looks like we're going up by 1.5. Then if I add 1.5 to 3.5, I'll get 5, and then there's 5 to 6.5 again. So this next one here in the pattern would be 8. If I add 1.5 here, I'll get 8. If I add 1.5 to 8, I'll get 9.5, and if I add 1.5 again, I'll get 11. Now what we're really looking for here is this last answer, that last answer box. So we're going to go back to our worksheet here, and remember our answers here were 8, 9.5, and 11. So the last box here is the answer we're looking for. So if we look there, we have the answer 11, and we're going to go down here and we're going to find number 11, and we're going to put a U in right there for number 11, and when we're done, our pattern will spell out the answer to this trivia question. Again, most of the time the answers, they're so bad, the answers to the little questions don't even make sense, but it kind of makes it fun, and also tells you if you're getting the answers correct. Alright, so if we were to look at another example here, again, we're going from 1, then we're going to 1/4. From 1/4 we go to 1/16. From 1/16 we go to 1/64. What is happening? What's the rule? The rule up here was to add 1.5. Now we're going from 1 to 1/4. How are we getting there? How are we going from 1/4 to 1/16? We're dividing by something there, and you should be able to figure that out. And again, you're looking for that last answer in the sequence. And when you get that last answer in the sequence, come on back to the worksheet, you will take and find that answer down below, and you're going to take and put a number H in whatever that answer is. And then you'll have a pattern. Watch out for the word problems. They're a little bit difficult. For example, Antonio has $80 in a savings account. He plans to add $32 each month for the next 6 months. How much will Antonio have in his account at the end of each month? Remember, you're going to make a tally sheet for each month, and you're looking for the last one here because it says the last number you write. Okay? All right, well, thank you very much for listening, and enjoy your activity. Have a good day. Bye.